Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Discord. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of Discord just because the laptop or device you're using is not yours. How do you actually go ahead and log out of Discord? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is first log onto Discord. Next, on the bottom left-hand corner, you want to click on the user settings icon. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says log out. So click on that. Now you should receive a prompt that says, are you sure you want to log out? Click on log out. And there you have it. You've now been logged out of Discord, but you should remain logged in on all your other devices, such as your iPhone or other laptops or computers that you may be logged into. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Discord. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.